When we hear the name Albert Einstein, we imagine a wild-haired genius who understood the universe better than anyone else. But the truth is way more human and way more useful for us to learn from. Einstein's journey was never smooth, fast, or comfortable. It was slow, frustrating, filled with doubt, and that's exactly why his story matters. Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. As a child, he spoke so late that his parents worried something was wrong with him. In school, he struggled, not because he lacked intelligence though, but because he hated memorizing and strict rules. He constantly questioned his teachers, which made them see him as rebellious and difficult. One teacher famously told him that he would never succeed in anything. Einstein later said that the school nearly destroyed his love for learning. The system valued obedience over understanding, and he simply couldn't accept ideas without asking why. After graduating, things didn't improve. Einstein failed to secure an academic position. Professors didn't recommend him, and universities ignored him. And eventually, he took on a job as a patent clerk, something completely unrelated to theoretical physics. Day after day, he reviewed inventions that weren't even his own. No lab, no students, no recognition. By society's standards, he failed. But mentally, something incredible was happening. While working this ordinary job, Einstein spent his free time thinking deeply. He imagined impossible scenarios. What if you could ride on a beam of light? What happens to time if you move at the speed of light? In 1905, often called his miracle year, he published 4 revolutionary papers. One of them introduced the idea behind E equals mc squared, showing that mass and energy are interchangeable. Another helped explain the photoelectric effect, which later won him the Nobel Prize. All of this didn't come from expensive equipment, but from thought, imagination, and persistence. Einstein's struggles didn't end with success. His theories were attacked and mocked. Many physicists rejected them at first. Later in life, as a Jewish scientist, he was forced to flee Nazi Germany. He lost his homeland, faced political pressure, and lived as an immigrant. Despite fame, he lived simply, avoided luxury, and often felt lonely. Genius did not shield him from hardship. It just gave him a different way to face it. So, what can we learn? Curiosity is more important and more powerful than talent. Einstein openly said that he wasn't exceptionally intelligent. He just stayed with questions longer than others. Failure doesn't mean you're on the wrong path. Being rejected, ignored, or misunderstood is often part of doing something original. Einstein believed that imagination was more important than knowledge because it allows you to see beyond what already exists, and you don't need perfect conditions to start. Einstein's greatest work came from a small office and not a grand laboratory. Instead of memorizing answers, ask why. Use visualization when solving problems. Keep learning even when no one is watching or praising. Treat obstacles as signals to think differently, not stop. Be patient with yourself. Deep understanding takes time. Albert Einstein teaches us that greatness doesn't come from instant brilliance. It comes from curiosity that refuses to die, from persistence when the world says no, and from the courage to think differently, even when you're standing alone. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. It helps me make more epic videos like this as often as possible. Stay curious like a child, the world needs more of it. Bye.